If you're gonna surprise someone, this is the way to do it. It's time to unfold your world. Will you flip or fold? Are you gonna keep staring at me? Oh my god. I can't believe that they've managed to fold glass. This screen is bigger than my face. Where is the camera? Oh, it's hidden. That's so cool, yeah. And you know what? It's also water resistant. Okay, selfie time. Hashtag hands-free selfie. Hey, cool, an S pen. Need that dress. You can get so much done on this phone, it's crazy. Yeah, but don't you think you should improve your handwriting? Okay, we need to go. Myra's gonna be here any minute. Hi, what are you doing, weirdo? Come, let's go. I'm confused. Should I flip or should I fold? Okay, I can't decide. But